Alright, see it here. Right, that's how we are started from today. And I don't know, welcome to Serene. You know what I mean? Right on the rock with the Portland, Surf River. Bad boy ready, what go on? What's up on the menu today?
Ackee and saltfish, dog.
There's some ackee and saltfish. Alright, I ackee that I pick out.
Cornmeal flour.
Cornmeal dumpling. Bounty killer, we beanie man there. Boiled potato. Alright, see there? Don't know that are the flour, scallion, onion, oil. We don't know the dog have him little juice over there, so I go and beat. Yeah, we just there, I go and take our time and set up the place. Just give a couple months, we show the real thing where the place is going to look like. Over there side, the fireside, we're burn a little pot now. We don't know anything. Welcome to Jamaica, everyone. Welcome to Serene. Yeah.
Yo, look at
Portland, Jamaica. Yeah, man, see it, man. Ackee. Yeah, man.
Ackee have 4 yards.
4 yards, the ackee they have, you see? Normally, the ackee then come with 3. Gabby Dan, how go on?
They're not a fork, really.
Alright. There, man. I'm showing people them the water what we have here in Portland. Surf River. Watch out. At the pool, listen up, people. This me I talk about, you know. Know what I mean? I eat this. Yeah. I work with it, I work on it, see it? We I level down the place, see the kitchen I set up. Fence around and thing, place I take time, clean up, put the thing together. You know what I mean? Just give it a couple months. But we are showing you everything, you know, as we do daily. I put in the work, we are showing you what I'm going, you see me? Yeah, man, the Ilex I represent, I don't know anything, Serene, we say. Portland, Jamaica, Surf River.